Welcome. In this Russia you how to download Apollo Group TV app on Firestick. So before you begin, consider this important points. First, the security risks, because side-loading apps for unknown sources can introduce security risks than app stability and potential issues. Now here are the exact steps. First, enable downloader app. So go to your Firestick settings, navigate to My Fire TV and selected, and then select developer options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. Remember to turn this back off after installation to disable side loading for security reasons. And then secondly, you want to download the downloader app. So return to the Firestick home screen, go to the search bar and type downloader. Select a downloader app icon, which is an orange box with downward arrow, and then click download, and then open to launch a downloader app. Then use the downloader app to install Apollo Group TV. So in the download, enter the following URL. So this is the URL of Apollo Group, and double check you around, and once entered, click go in the downloader app, and the Apollo Group TV app should download. Once downloaded, select install, and then open to launch the app. Now keep in mind, I'll make sure to leave a link to this down in the description, and then you want to ground permission if requested, and then you can use Apollo Group TV on your Firestick. And that's exactly how to download Apollo Group TV on Firestick. If they said it was helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.